My little cousin bought me this. She bought me so many things.
No, it's
Let's
not.
see. Egyptian loofah bath mitt. I actually needed one of these.
Really? I thought about you because you care about your skin and you like put on
I need to exfoliate my
lotion.
I have a lot of that. What's this? It's heavy. It's a candle.
I know you like luxury 명품 candle from like LA, but like
Okay. Mmm,
yeah,
smells good.
I like it because
Woodland Escape. Is it
I like it
focusing?
because hold on. Okay, now it is. I like it because it's the
And it's
wick is
soy.
wood. It's wood, so
It's
it makes
wood and
noise.
it's soy. Oh, it makes noises?
It's like crack.
Oh, I like the smell. Fragrance notes of cool mint,
Oh.
Siberian pine, cypress, and tundra wood. Thank you.